Mom, look, there are cockroaches in the bathroom.
Gosh, I am fed up.
Mom, I have even found some spider webs near my wardrobe.
Oh dear, I sighted the spider webs too near the shoe rack. It seems, it's time to call the pest control experts.
Hello, ASM Pest Control. How can we help you?
Hi, Mrs. Steve here. It seems my house is infested with cockroaches and spiders. Can you please visit my house for an inspection?
Surely, ma'am, we can visit for an inspection today. Our team is spread all over the Lower Mainland and Fraser Valley.
Thank you so much for a quick response. See you soon.
Hello, we have received an inspection request from you.
Mom, they are here.
Mrs. Steve, can we proceed with the inspection?
Yes, sure. I hope the chemicals you spray won't trouble me and my family.
Stay rest assured, ma'am. We spray non-toxic and eco-friendly pesticides that are 100% safe and secure.
That's amazing. Please proceed.
Ma'am, the work is complete now. Your home is under the protection of ASM Pest Control.
Thank you very much. Now I understand why Homestars have top-rated ASM Pest Control service provider for the past 2 years.
ASM Pest Control. The shield between you and pests. Available 24/7.